in tourism because I like to explore the world, and I like to share. I like to share with others, things that they can explore and get to know. And when you have the knowledge of a place, like I think I know Þórshöfn pretty well, it's just easy to help people see what's worth seeing around here. Food is my passion, but I've liked kayaking all of my life, and I think it's a nice way to explore, to get out on the water a little bit, to be able to get a little bit closer to the birds and sometimes, other animals that you might see out there. But it's peaceful on a nice day when it's not windy, and it also offers people something to do when they come here, so they're not just driving through town or stopping for a meal. They can actually explore a little bit. I think to go to the cliffs out in Stóri-Karl, go out to Langanes and view the birds, but also just sometimes stand there, listen to nothing, and not see anybody. I think that's something that's special here. I think tourism has had an impact, especially with the younger kids. They're wanting to work more and more in tourism and becoming a little bit more social. So I think it has had a positive impact. Well, I'm a teacher in school. I don't know if you knew that, but the kids are doing, we have heimilisfræði, we have the cooking part here at the restaurant. And I think that's a bit special because we're not usually cooking just cakes. We're doing a lot of different types of food. So I think it has an impact this way. And also, we take the kids kayaking from time to time. We are a small restaurant. We can seat maybe 50 people, and we do what we do well. So I like to be able to do the 50 people well rather than serve 80 or 100 people like this. So.